Hey, citizens. No, cut. I'm using my son's camera, and I don't like it. I need my camera. Welcome back, citizens. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Guess what, guys? I finally won me a new pair of 350s. Yes, and I'm going to be unboxing them with you guys. Yes, I am. I'm so excited. I won on Adidas.com the Yeezy 350 V2s. Is it real? Is it real? Whatever they call. They're so hot. I can't wait. Let's get these bad boys open. I haven't worn a pair of sneakers in so long. The last thing I got without having to pay over retail was the Yeezy slides. So, and the last few or five pair that came out took an L. But got these Israfils. I don't know how to pronounce them. Israfils? Israfils? I don't know. But 350s. Here they are. And this colorway, I know it's going to be popping. I just know it. The picture, I like the colorway, but I know in person. Here they are. The Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils. I don't know. Fire. Look at the gray. And this like sherbet orange with this gray and the cream. Box down there. This new colorway, y'all. If you're not feeling these, I don't know. Look at that. Nice 350 view. All around view. Spicy. I'm gonna do some mod shots in these. This gray with the cream and the sherbet orange. Yeezy did it again. And I don't know about y'all, but at one point I was like, I'm getting tired of the 350s, and they started coming out looking all the same. But this one right here, this is different. They were all looking the same except the black, but I'm really, really excited for this color. The gray and the creams. And that sherbet orange. So, online, the picture don't really do these no justice, but alright, I'm going to do some mod shots, and we'll get back.
12 seconds later.
Oh, you know what else they changed about these 350? There's no pull tab, right? It's no pull tab. And look, they have a new little, I guess these are like just slip on. Because you don't have to tie it. If you can see this little rubber clasp right here. Can y'all see that? I didn't even peep this when I was ordering. So they like, you don't have to lace them. Or, I don't know if this come off. I don't know anything about this little rubber clasp. I ain't doing no research on these. I'm not even on front. I like that. No laces. Well, laces, but no having to tie them. That's fire. It's different too. It's a little different in the inside too. But the rest of my 350s, I never noticed. It's like a little suede two suede patches in the inside. I feel like suede or not mesh. I feel like suede. And I feel like it's more cushion around the ankle. Oh, these are going to be super comfortable. There's definitely more cushion in the ankle part. Alright guys, so I'm going to take and put these on, do some mod shots, and let's see how they look. Is it reals? That's what I'm calling them. These are my 350 Is It Reals. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, Sid signing off. Peace.